goal of this activity is to work on your lower body strength, improve your squat mobility, and loosen up the upper back. I usually program this move for someone who is a wide infrasternal angle, who has limited squat depth, and perhaps their limited external rotation and the ability to go overhead. If that sounds like some limitations you have, this move's for you. Here's what you're going to do. Get yourself set up on a ramp or some high plates and get yourself a barbell. You can get one that has some pads on it, or you can use a padded thing, whatever. But you're going to set up to where you're performing this with a Zercher hold. What that looks like is you want the bar to rest in the crux of your elbows. You're going to grab your fist, keep it close to your body. You want to make sure that as you're going and doing the squat, that your arms aren't coming up or your elbows aren't drifting outward. You want to keep things in close and buoyant. Get yourself set up on a ramp. You're going to get a nice little belt buckle or belly button tuck, and I want you to exhale. As you exhale, you want to drop the shoulder blades down slightly and then wrap them forward like this. You want to make sure as you do that, you don't crunch over like so. It's a nice exhale and drop like that, but you can see my arms are staying close to the body, and I'm keeping that elbow bend. Once you're here, you're going to break at the knees by pushing them forward, drop down into a squat as low as you can, and come up. Making sure you keep that tuck throughout. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.